Hey guys, welcome back to Yummy Treats with Yash. I'm Yash and this is Satar. Today, as you have already guessed, we'll be making yummy chocolate muffins
with chocolate chips. Our tray is ready with the muffin liners, so let's start with the batter.
This recipe is intensely chocolatey, very easy to make, and the best part is, hello boss, it gets ready in 30 minutes. So first let's prepare the dry ingredients. Here I have 1.5 cups of refined flour or maida.
To the refined flour, I'm gonna add half a cup of cooking powder.
Cooking powder?
To this, I'm gonna add half a cup of cocoa powder.
Cocoa
powder.
Okay. Who gets cocoa? To the refined flour, we have added half a cup of cocoa powder.
Now I'm adding 2/3 cup of granulated sugar.
If you wish to, you can substitute this with brown sugar too. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon baking powder.
One-fourth spoon salt. Let me give the dry ingredients a quick mix.
While my brother is doing the dry ingredients, let's do the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, I'm cracking an egg. Get a large egg at room temperature. To the egg, I'm adding 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. 1 cup whole milk. I'm adding half cup vegetable oil.
Now let's mix it. I'm pouring the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients.
Now I'm gonna give the batter a quick mix, just enough to mix it all together. Make sure do not over mix it.
Call me okay when the batter is done.
Our chocolate muffin batter is ready. We have distributed the batter between bowls and garnished it with choco chips. And now it's ready to go in the oven. We have preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. To get dome tops, the trick is the first 10 minutes of my baking, I will set the oven at 220 degrees Celsius. And after 10 minutes, I will set the temperature to 170 degrees Celsius and let the muffin bake at an even pace. So in 15 minutes, we should have our muffins ready. So let's wait.
Later.
It looks fantastic. Can't wait to taste it. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And do not forget to hit the bell button for more notifications. And do check out my other channel, Game Gangsters. I will provide the link. Yes, I will provide the link in the description box below.
So yum.
Oh my god, it's so chocolatey. Do not forget to make this for New Year, Christmas and whenever you like. Just like I said, intensely chocolatey and yummy. And did you notice the dough? I'll go and try my muffin. I'll see you in the next video with a good recipe. Bye! If you don't eat egg, for the eggless version, you can substitute the egg with 1/4 cup of mashed banana or apple sauce.